Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the failed authentication on Steam. It's not that difficult. Let's get to it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is close your Steam application like so. And then after closing your Steam you reopen your Steam, but this time you open it as administrator. So what you do is on your Steam icon, you right click and then run as administrator. There we go. And yes. Remember, if you are running a game or anything, you have to close it completely and restart it. And as an administrator, this should fix the authentication error. But if it doesn't, you have to check on the internet if the Steam server is actually running. And if it is actually okay, you have to check your internet connection. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come for more. Goodbye.